What's nice about the parallel parking is 9 times out of 10, the examiners don't ask you to do it.
Oh, it's not going to get lucky?
Yeah, because they only have like 15 minutes at most. And, definitely, if you're taking the road test in the wintertime, you're definitely not going to do parallel parking, I can tell you that.
Okay.
There's very, very few cars available, even in the summertime. And they don't drive out of their way looking for a car.
Yeah.
If there's one that happens to be available, then you want to be prepared for
Everything?
for doing one.
Okay.
Good to go. If you wait too long, then he's going to turn in front of you. You have the right of way. What's the speed limit on this roadway?
I'm assuming it's still 50.
Yeah, that's the correct assumption.
It's just default to 50 every time.
It is, yeah. It's the default speed anywhere within city limits. Unless you're on a highway, then it's the default is 80. Bottom of the hill at the stop sign, we're going to turn left. You know him?
Yes, I do. He's passing us.
I could tell he was giving you the nod there. They're on the grass. Let's make a right turn over here. Maybe we'll find something. Yeah, there we go. Okay. We'll go to the silver vehicle there, just further down the road.
Okay.
Oh, it looks like there's a cone in the way. Jeez. Okay, let's use this one. We'll pull over right here for a second, and I'll explain the how the maneuver works. Right here is good.
Yeah, good.
So as you're approaching the vehicle, you'll be slowing down to get into position, and you'll have your right signal on so that people around you know that you're going to do something, and they're anticipating something. Also, you're going to be stopping right beside the vehicle, side by side.
Yeah.
And because you're stopping right in the middle of the road, you want to check that rear view mirror before you do stop, just so you don't get rear-ended. And when you stop beside the vehicle, you want to get into the position, into position so that you have an arm's length of space between the two vehicles. It's about 1 meter of space.
Okay.
And stop with this mirror lined up to his side mirror.
Okay.
That's the first step. So we'll go and try that. We'll just the hardest part is getting into the first position here. So signal right. And is there somebody sitting in there?
Nope.
Okay, now that's way more than an arm's length, right?
That's too
Okay. Let's try with the next car, or maybe not, because we got the orange cone.
Yeah.
We'll see once we get a little closer. There might be just enough space for us. No, it looks like he's parked right beside it. Okay, then we'll just keep on rolling.
Right, left.
Yeah. Can't get beside that one. Not having any luck here.
No. There's a lot of cars now.
Yeah. All these workers are probably, those are their vehicles, I'm sure.
I'd assume. Or just the people in houses.
Well, let's keep rolling. We'll go find something else, maybe on a quieter street. A lot of times people don't like it when they see a driving school using their vehicle as a prop,
I don't think I would either.
I've had one guy actually was drunk, and he came up to the window as I was parallel parking with his car, with a student.
Ooh.
And he comes banging on my window, yelling at me to get away from his car. And I'm like, okay, calm down, buddy. Like, relax. We'll go find another car. You're parked on the road. And if it's parked on the road, it's public property. So there's a white vehicle there. We'll try with that one. So the slower you approach the vehicle, the easier it is for you to get that arm's length of space. From about back here, go ahead and signal right and check the mirror. Okay.
So I gotta engage around it here. It's closer than I think it is.
Yeah, a little closer. There we go. That's good. Now you got the right amount of space. Mirror to mirror. So you got the right amount of space, roughly. That's good.
Yeah.
Using the mirror like that, that's just to help prevent you from stopping too far ahead. But your real goal here is to line up your back bumpers. It's hard to know.
Longer.
Yeah, because like you can't see where your back bumper is. So the trick to this, no matter what length of vehicle you're parking with, is to line it up so that you can see the brake light in the small triangular window with the no smoking sticker in it.
Not quite.
Not
A
quite,
little
eh?
too far up.
Okay, so you just reverse to reposition. As soon as you see it there, it's framed in the window.
Like all of it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Right there.
Yeah, that'll line up your back bumpers. So you're okay in reverse. You can keep it in reverse, keeping the right signal on for this part.
Yep.
Okay, now what you got to do is turn your wheel to the right, but just one spin, not all the way, just one full spin. Right there. We'll wait for this guy to go. Because when you reverse, your nose is going to swing out in the opposite lane a little bit. Okay, so now you just keep a bit of pressure on the brake if the car rolls away from you too quickly. And stop when you see the brake light right about here in this window. You want to try to achieve a 45-degree angle to the vehicle.
So just about.
Yeah, that looks good. So when you see the brake light, check your angle.
Yep.
To me, that looks a 45.
Just about.
That looks good. Okay, and then you want to straighten the wheels out.
So I turn it right.
Yeah, right there. And then all you got to do is just back up in a straight line, and then turn your wheels all the way quickly to the left as soon as your front bumper reaches approximately his back bumper.
Backing up, like slower than that.
Yeah,
So just about
a little bit more.
a little or right about here.
Yeah, you got it. All the way quickly, all the way quickly to the left. Yeah.
So a little too much speed.
No, you keep on rolling.
Keep on going.
Yeah, keep rolling till you're nice and parallel to the side of the road. Don't worry about blocking this driveway. They wouldn't ask you to park with this vehicle if you were blocking a driveway, but
So I'm good here.
not going to worry about it. Yeah, this is good.
Okay.
Then you put it in park and engage your fake brake, just like you did for hill parking. So there we go. You can keep your wheels turned to the left too for the purposes of a road test. If you're doing this in the real world, you might have a car behind you, and then you might have to, jockey yourself into position back and forth and all that.
Okay.
You might have to roll forward and just make sure you can get out again. But for the purposes of a road test, if you feel like you're too far away from the car, don't be tempted to roll forward.
Okay.
Because then if you have to reverse again before leaving, they'll dock you 2 points. They might dock you 2 points for being too far.
Like, is this too far or is
Nope,
this?
this is good. Yep, this is fine. But they might dock you 2 points if you misalign it or whatever and you're a little bit further back. They might dock you for incorrect vehicle position, but then if you roll forward and then back up again to leave, that's another 2 points.
Okay.
So it's better to take 2 points than 4 points.
Yep.
And it's not a fail. Not an automatic. The only time you can automatically fail this maneuver is if you hit the vehicle or end up in somebody's ditch.
Yeah.
For obvious reasons, right? Spatial perception is a little bit distorted when you're sitting inside of a vehicle. May not realize it, but we have a lot of space between the two vehicles right now.
Yeah.
Come on outside to get a better perspective.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Pretty easy, eh?
Yeah, pretty simple. I'm sure in the tighter spots it's a lot harder.
Yeah. All right, and we'll take off.
So just put it in drive and then just
Signal mirror blind spot before you leave.
and then I can just roll out.
Yeah, 45 degrees, straight the
straight
wheels,
up
and then off you go.
Yeah. Okay, and just like that.
We'll go down the street here. We'll find another one.
Okay. Oh, great.
Today we probably won't have a lot of time to repeat the maneuvers, but
Yeah.
we'll have a lot of time to review and practice these things. So it's just an introduction today.